As a business owner serious about success, your marketing strategy's effectiveness is going to form the core of your business's success. What does that mean? It simply means that if you're not marketing well, then you're not going to do very well in business, because you're in business to make a profit. And if you're not bringing in enough clients and revenues and prospects and leads, you're not going to make enough money. Eventually, you're going to run out of business. So, how do you solve this problem? Well, the idea is that you need a cheap and reliable way of getting leads and prospects for your business and then convert them to customers, clients, and revenues. So what does this process look like? This process, in simple terms, is where you have a website set up. Someone comes to your website, they see that you're selling or offering a product or service that is of value to them. They become a lead and they eventually grow to love you and build trust with you. That leads to them becoming a customer. But it just doesn't work like that. How exactly do you do this? Well, it's really very simple. You need a way where you're able to educate your prospects, people who are interested in your business, about your business and its services and how you've helped others like them, so that they're comfortable doing business with you. If you offer a service or a product, you know that not everyone who walks into your store or your business is going to become a customer right away, even if you could help them. How are you even going to do this? The answer to this problem is email marketing. Email marketing is going to allow you a free and easy way of converting your website visitors and prospects into leads that will eventually become customers. The best part about it is that when you do this, you're doing it for free, and you also have in place a system that's going to work for you 24/7, even while you sleep, to get this done. So in a nutshell, how does it even work? Well, it's really very simple. You're going to add email marketing to your website, to your social media. You're going to add it to your advertisement campaigns, your SEO, whatever marketing strategy you're doing. You're going to add email marketing. And what it does for you is that it's going to get you more results for less of a cost. Because instead of telling your website visitor that, you know what, it costs $10,000 to work with us. Give us $10,000 and you'll get our help. You can say to them that, you know what, give us your name and email address, and in return, we are going to help you get this quick win for free. And from there, you have a way of contacting your prospects, your leads, who will eventually become customers. It takes 9 to 11 touch points on average for a lead or prospect to become a customer. Email marketing for free will help you get those 9 to 11 touch points. Now, I know that this all sounds fine, it sounds awesome, it sounds wonderful, and you're ready to get going. I mean, you can start for free, so it really is brilliant. But email marketing by itself doesn't do much. You can't just go ahead and set up email marketing and succeed. What you need is a total marketing system that is going to work for you 24/7, even while you sleep or you're on vacation, to get you leads and customers, clients, revenues. To learn more about this marketing system and how we used it to generate over 900 million Jamaican dollars in revenues per year for our client, click here.